Want to make studio quality videos and get paid? No camera, no crew? Here's how to make money with Wan 2.1 AI by Alibaba in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Access Wan 2.1 AI, Alibaba's powerful AI video generator that turns scripts into photorealistic presenters and scenes automatically. Step 2. Pick a niche, like product demos, explainer videos, news-style content, or corporate training videos. Step 3. Write or paste a script, choose a digital avatar and language, and let Wan 2.1 create a professional video with AI-generated speech and visuals. Step 4. Monetize by offering branded video services to e-commerce sellers, creating social media video ads for local businesses, selling explainer videos to SaaS companies or startups, running a faceless YouTube channel with AI presenters. Step 5. Upsell by adding custom branding, subtitles, or multiple language versions for global clients. Step 6. Promote your service on freelancing platforms, LinkedIn, or to Alibaba store owners looking to stand out. With Wan 2.1 AI, you turn plain text into high-end video. And in 2025, that's exactly what businesses are willing to pay for.